All right, area of a trapezoid program. So program, we're going to create a new one. Alpha lock is already on. So we're going to do area of a trapezoid. So TRAP, you can only use 8 characters. And now let's get into the programming. So we're going to start off by displaying alpha lock to make it easier to enter the information. Base, actually need a number, base 1 is, and then we're going to prompt. So prompt is asking the user to enter information. Prompt, and we're going to assign that to letter B. And then I'm going to do another, oops, program. No. Delete. Okay. Okay. Program. Display base 2. And then I'm going to assign that to letter C. And we have to ask for one more input, height. And I forgot to put the, go down here. If that happens to you, you go down here and we re-edit the program. And I'm going to insert. So second, insert, and I want to insert print. Try this again. Area, edit, area trap. Come down here. Insert, alpha. There we go. Height. And now I'm going to prompt for H. Assign the variable H. And now we do the math. So that it's going to be base 1 plus base 2. So that's C divided by 2 times the height. And we're going to store that to A for area. And then we're going to display area of trapezoid. Area of trapezoid is, and I'm going to display A. And then let's give it a try. So again, quit. I'm going to run the program. And let's say base 1 is 10. Base 2 is 20. And we'll say the height is 5. So it should do 10 plus 20, so 30, divided by 2 is 15. And 15 times 5 is 75. Program is correct.